So this is Blue Iris. It's a brand new color from DIY Paint. I'm applying it with my putty knife. I'm lightly misting with straight water with the Fine Mist Sprayer. It's the Turquoise Iris collection. You can find that on the paintpixie.com website. And I'm just lightly scraping it on there, kind of trying to mix it in with the green color as well. This is Bohemian Blue. It's a color also from DIY. I put it in the spray bottle with a ratio of 2 to 12 ounces. And then this is Golden Ticket. It's a liquid patina. And I'm just spraying it on there and letting it drip. Use the brush and then lightly mist it. I'm spraying water before and after. I love doing this technique and I think it looks amazing over the green. Now for an IOD transfer application.